Parasites are organisms that thrive by feeding off other organisms known as hosts. They steal nutrients from the food of the host. There are 3 primary types of parasites: protozoa, single-celled organisms that reside in the intestines, blood, or tissue; helminths, comprising of worms such as tapeworms, roundworms, and thorny-headed worms; and ectoparasites, including ticks, fleas, lice, and mites that attach to or burrow into the skin. 10 potential warning signs to be mindful of include stomach discomfort. If an unwanted parasite has taken up residence in your intestines, abdominal pain may be one of the initial indicators. Certain parasites are present in foodstuffs such as meat and can infiltrate the body via ingestion. The second issue relates to digestion. Byproducts from the parasites are discharged and can accumulate in the gastrointestinal tract. This may lead to inflammation in the stomach, excessive gas, and difficulty in digesting food. The third sign is anal discomfort. Parasites are often linked to an uncomfortable and persistent itch in the anal region, causing discomfort and requiring treatment for relief. This symptom is not only embarrassing, but can also interfere with sleep, as parasites typically become more active and lay their eggs at night, resulting in heightened itching. Number 4. Fatigue is a common symptom that can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, illness, and lack of sleep. It is characterized by a feeling of tiredness or exhaustion that can affect daily activities and productivity. In some cases, fatigue can be a symptom of an underlying medical condition such as anemia or thyroid disorders. Number 5. Weight loss may also be an indication of the presence of parasites, which can cause a sudden and unexplained drop in weight. This is due to the parasites stealing essential nutrients from your body and forcing it to expend additional calories fighting off the infection. Number 6. Anxiety. Parasites have the potential to cause not only physical harm but also mental distress. They can disrupt one's sense of stability and well-being, leading to mood swings, irritability, and anxiety. Number 7. Teeth grinding. Teeth grinding happens most commonly during the nighttime, also known as bruxism. Interestingly, many people who suffer from bruxism are not aware that they are doing it. Bruxism can be caused by a variety of factors, and it does not always indicate the presence of a parasite. However, if a parasite is the cause, it can lead to increased activity and restlessness during the night, resulting in physical stress and ultimately teeth grinding. Number 8. Anemia. It can occur when parasites take iron from a host body, resulting in low levels of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein found in the blood that is responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Parasites obtain iron from sources such as meat and fish, depriving the body of the necessary iron it requires to operate effectively. Number 9. Skin. It happens when parasites irritate the skin, causing redness and inflammation. This can lead to the development of a rash in the area where the parasite has settled. In addition to skin irritation, some individuals may experience an allergic reaction to the parasite. Number 10. Muscle pain can be a rare symptom of parasitic infections, occurring when parasites invade the muscles and soft tissues of the body. Trichinosis, a parasitic infection contracted by consuming undercooked meat, can cause joint pain, inflammation, and muscle stiffness. While the idea of harboring a parasite is repulsive, countless individuals contend with parasitic infections annually. The severity of the infection hinges on various factors, such as the type of parasite, age, immune system, overall health, and promptness of diagnosis. Nonetheless, once a diagnosis is confirmed, most parasitic infections can be effectively treated. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to support our content creation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this, and check out our other videos as well. Thank you for watching.